Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm being so quick right now, but we're doing another Hyperia construction update. The reason why I was off for a long time is because I got COVID and I was sick. Okay, see you in the site.
Is it all safe? Yeah, well you couldn't go on it now because you'd like fall off.
Yeah.
And then you're going to go 20 metres above that blue fair.
It wouldn't be safe at the moment.
No, it wouldn't be safe at the moment, would it? I think there's a bit missing. And look at that inrun into the QC pizza.
What?
That last.
The brake one?
Yeah. Good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Honestly, every time I come it looks so different to the last time. Yeah. Look how high they are up there, and that's only a fraction of the height they don't have to get to in their crane. What do you think, Bethany? Still up for it? Yeah. Need to get a car. I mean, it's quite a job, isn't it? You've got a good head for heights. Why not? Doesn't sound like it.
I'm not scared.
That's amazing. Who's the bigger roller coaster fan, you or Peter?
Me.
Right, it's good that you also like them, isn't it? Because then at least you get to go as far. By 5 o'clock in the morning, we were drinking beer at the Gavin. Oh, wow.
I found lots of boats over the
Yeah, I
fence.
know.
And I thought it was probably an old one.
Could be. Could well be.
Have you got that?
So I'm now
You found lots.
I can
yeah. Because all I get is messages like, oh, I can get off the line with 3 pints of beer for 4 pounds. I'm like, wow. But I keep talking to them on my phone. You know what happens? Yeah, and then we did a surprise Sunday night. So we did dinner as a family and got loads of friends to turn up. And they're all so sweet. So it's really created some more pictures for me with a long home. They were quite hard to coordinate.
Thank you so much for watching this Hyperia video, and I got some treats from Fort Park, so thank you Fort Park for letting me on and going to the site and getting these treats. I'll show you. So we got these bag of marshmallows. Yeah. Marshmallows. We also got the bag, the old Fort Park logo bag. There. And let's see what's inside. Yeah.
Just picking up something.
And we got a mug. So we have a nice hot chocolate with it. Fort Park mug. We also got the Fort Park. We also got the Fort Park mug. Not mug. Jumper. Christmas jumper with the old logo. So looks pretty cool. More marshmallows. We also got some sweetie pie. They look nice. Again, got a Christmas tree thing for Christmas coming up. badge with a Thought Park odd logo. And we got a Thought Park keyring. So nice. So once again, thank you very much, Thought Park, for letting me in and having those nice, delicious treats. That was so cool. Yeah, and thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you in the next Hyperia construction update.